Since we looked at examples from the stock market last time, let's look at some currency charts this time. Seeing as how we can literally simulate different time periods and time frames, then adjust the pace of market movement within them, Fibonacci tools will be great for using with Forex Tester. Once again, Ascencor is collaborating with Forex Tester to showcase this software platform. With the standard Fibonacci retracement applied to this chart, it will be so much more efficient to practice and test various applications of Fibonacci-based tools. This goes for short, medium, and long-term perspectives. Simulating this historic chart event covers small and large details of the Fibonacci retracement in a realistic yet efficient way, where we can see the scenario develop in real time and complete quickly instead of having to wait for these kinds of scenarios to take place and develop over days, weeks, or even months. When applying time-based Fibonacci tools, things get even more interesting. We can also see the power and convenience of running simulations with software. Almost instantaneously, we can see how effective or ineffective the time-based Fibonacci tool was applied, instead of waiting the actual time of several weeks. In addition, we can also quickly see the results in combination with the Fibonacci retracement. Don't just watch, try for yourself. You can use the link provided below to try Forex Tester right now for free.